So we have 3 American soldiers killed the first time because of war action, not accident or like missing. So we have 3 American soldiers killed in Jordan. In Jordan, I repeat. It's the first casualty since the start of war in the Middle East on 7 October last year. This is the first casualty. Again, let's play again. So this is because of a drone. I believe this was suicidal drone attack on American troops. 3 killed, many injured. US base in Jordan. They usually have Iron Dome and stuff. Patriot missiles to defend the base. But this was a suicidal drone. We play one more time before we finish. So this is huge. America must revenge. I told you, they didn't listen. I told you if they want to get rid with all these happenings in the Middle East, America must go attack Iran. The first day in the conflict. Not like, oh, we're now gonna hit Hezbollah, we're gonna hit Houthi, we're gonna hit Yemen, we're gonna hit Hamas. It won't work. You need to boots on the ground to take out Houthis, and you need to, like I said, they need to take out Iran. If they don't want to take out Iran, American and Israel are both defeated. So I repeat, unless they do anything against Iran, Israel and USA are strategically defeated. That's all, people. Blessings.